Welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. Today we introduce the fifth sound from our Group 1 sounds. Now, before we introduce that sound, let's do a quick sound revision. Now, I'm going to do the actions and I want you to tell me what those sounds are. What sound is this? E. Good. And it's represented by the letter I. Good job. Now, what sound is this? T. Good job. T, t, t. And it's represented by the letter T. Okay, now let's quickly get into today's story. Peter and Patrick are going to bed. Peter puffs out the candle and goes to lie down. He's nearly asleep when he hears a mosquito buzzing. Wing, wing, wing. He wakes up, lights the candle. He finds the mosquito and kills it. Once again, he puffs out the candle with a P and goes back to sleep. Do you manage to sleep with the noise of a mosquito? I know I don't. I have to look for that mosquito and kill it also. Now, today's fifth sound is the sound P. P. It's represented by the letter P. Together, let's say P. 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 Good job. Hold up your finger like this. Now, the finger has to be not close to the mouth, but far from the mouth. And then I want you to say P. 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 So that's the action for the sound P. P. Who loves to sing? I have a new song for today's sound. It goes like, puff out the candle and go to bed. Puff out the candle and go to bed. Puff, puff, puff. Now let's sing it together. Puff out the candle and go to bed. Puff out the candle and go to bed. Puff, puff, puff. Good job. Let's practice writing sound P in the air. So it starts from the middle. Down, down, up, up, around, touch. One more time. Down, down, up, up, around, touch. Good. How do we form sound P? Okay, so here's how we form sound P. Now, what type of a letter is it? It's a 4-letter because it goes below the bottom line and sits in between the middle and the bottom line. Now, it starts from the middle. So we go like, middle is there, down, down, up, up, around, touch. So that's our P. Let's do it one more time. Middle, down, down, up, up, around, touch. Good job. So that's how we write or form sound P. Now I want you to listen attentively to the following sounds because I want you to tell me the words that come out of those sounds. So the first sounds are T, A, P. T, A, P. What word is that? Tap. Good. Next word is P, A, T. P, A, T. What word is that? Pat. Good. The last word is S, E, P. S, E, P. What word is that? Sip. Good job. It's time for a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Tell me if you can hear today's sound in the following words. If you can hear them, give it a thumbs up. If you can't, give it a thumbs down. Okay, now our first word is the word bed. Bed. Now, how many sounds can you hear in the word bed? B, E, D. 3. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word bed? No. Our next word is puff. Puff. How many sounds can we hear in the word puff? P, A, F. 3. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word puff? Yes. And where is it? It's at the beginning. Puff. Good. The last one is up. Up. How many sounds can you hear in the word up? Up. 2 sounds. Now, can we hear the sound p in the word up? Yes. And where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? So there are just 2 letters, and so it's at the end. Up. Clap for yourselves. Are we ready to practice writing the previous lesson's sound and today's? Let's get our books. The first sound we are writing is the sound E. E. And our second sound is P. P. Let's get writing. Good job. Now, thank you very much for watching today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Just a reminder, all these steps you can find in the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide. Now, this guide was done by Beyond Ourselves Zambia. So these are the people that wrote this book. So to get yourself a copy, follow their page, like, comment, and then inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me, and you get this book at 10% discount. The actual price for this book is 100 kwacha. But if you go with the code Uncle Sam sent me, you get the book at 10% discount. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.